Hey guys, welcome back to StayTrue TV. Now before we start this video, I want to apologise. I somehow lost a fair bit of footage on this, so you won't see the windowsill getting painted and you won't see the concrete underlay getting laid down. Do apologise for this, but we will get into the rest of the video and continue on from there. Alright guys, so we're back here. Next day, got our flooring down, paint nice and dry. So that's the second coat on that now. So the door trims and the window trims are done, looking good. So we're going to go and remove all the masking tape, give the walls a wash down with some sugar soap, and start putting some paint on these walls.
First edging is going on.
Alright guys, so we've gone and got one wall done. I used the special edging tool along the top of between the corners and the wall there. Turned out okay, but Dara's gone and bought herself a cutting brush and she's been doing the edging. And it's a lot neater, so we're just going to continue on. Dara's going to do the cutting, and we continue on doing the rolling. We've got a little circuit going. That's the first coat on. We're going to be doing two coats, so fingers crossed it covers everything pretty well. And pretty super chuffed with how all the air conditioner sections come up. You can't even tell there was a patch there now. So that's with one coat. So with two coats, should really cover it up really well. Should look really good. We're just going to continue on. So that's our first cut complete. Go away, let it dry. Come back in a couple of hours and do another coat.
The last bit of this wall, two coats down.
Alright, we've gone and got the second coat on. So it's all starting to look one colour now. It's fantastic, looking good. Really happy with this. Be good once we get all flooring and side skirts and stuff in, kickboards. Super excited just about having one room done, so just gone ahead and fitted the light switch as well, looks sleek as. Check this out. Alright guys, so we've gone and accomplished a fair bit this video. We've got the walls painted, we've got the skirting done, we've got the windows painted. It's all starting to come together. We've got the roof done. Got all the power points and stuff in. New fan setup's ready to go. You just gotta get the electrician back, hang that and finish connecting it up. Should be sweet. But for this video, we're gonna call that a wrap. Don't forget to join us on StayTrue TV on Facebook. Also have an Instagram. Jump on there, follow us, get the inside scoop before YouTube. Other than that, stay safe and we'll catch you next time.